Okay, I was only going to do a photo slideshow, but I just have to show this to you guys. Can you see the waterfall through the trees? There's Scott. I'm going to walk that way now. There's some kids having a blast. He wants me to show you the mud.
It's just always funny in the mud. You'll find little footprints where the children get down into the mud.
Yeah. I'm going to try not to videotape any people. It's going to be hard because they're all in the water, but I'll take more pictures too. Ready?
They're sliding down the rock.
All right, I'm going to take some still shots. Thanks for watching. Bye.